What's up, guys? Azard here, back again with some more reactions to Diana and Ankudinova. Forgive me. Excuse me. So yes, guys, and today now I would say it's a hot minute since I've dropped the Diana. You know, this one here is gonna be a fresh one for me for sure, and I think it's pronounced Vьюга or some. You know, please, guys, I'm sorry for my pronunciation. I only know how to speak English. I don't know how to speak Russian language, but someone in the comment section, please grace me for your presence and you know, correct me down in the comment section here, please. Yeah, so guys, gonna be a first reaction here of this one. I have no idea what to expect for sure, so yeah, so we're just gonna check it out here to see what is up. Hope all of you are doing well in the world today, or if you're watching me from. If you're new here, hi, my name is Ace. I'm from, wow, camera, please. Guys, I'm sorry for my camera. My camera's been acting weird. Okay, I think I'm getting uglier, guys. I'm sorry. It's life. Sad life. So yes, guys, my name is Ace. I'm from the Caribbean here. Living in the Caribbean as well. If you're new, let me know where you're from. I like to know where my people are from. Wow, my tongue wants to say, you know, you want to say 5 things at once, but it's not. It can't happen. Yeah, that's the thing. Again with the camera, guys. I'm sorry. Ladies and gentlemen. So yeah, I have nothing to see here. So yeah. So without further ado, let's get into this.
Start.
Где-то там, за окном, ходит зима. Сеет снег, белый снег, ночью и днем. Меня тишиной сводит с ума. И опять.
Guys, gonna pause it right off the bat. This sounds so mysterious, honestly. And the hairstyle she has here, forgive me, some of you don't want me to say this, but I know this hairstyle is from it is from like Amy Winehouse. If you guys, maybe some of you don't even. I'm guessing some of you know who Amy Winehouse is. And if you want, you know, confirmation for sure, I'll leave the link to this video in my description, so you can go check it out yourself to see. But her hair is like Amy Winehouse, you know. But yeah, you guys will tell me. Goodness, yo guys, and that tone she takes, it's extremely, that's amazing. I'm no singer. Yeah, I'm no singer. I'm gonna tell you for sure. I am absolutely no singer, but I can pretend to sing. But I gotta say, man, this tone she takes, and the thing that really amazes me, she can do what she just did there, and she can just sing like, you know, how the normal singing is. I think someone wants me to break this down, right? I think you want me to break it down. But I mean normal, like, you know, the tone of most women, like, you know, go. I know everyone sings differently, but, you know, you guys get the picture. I'm sorry, guys. My throat is a bit, I don't know what's going on with me. I think the previous reaction I did, I was screaming too much. I'm sorry. Forgive me. So, yes, let's head back and see what's up. All right.
Ему, как и мне, сон не найти. Где-то там, вдалеке, никогда ты не поймешь. Где-то там не со мной, так и не узнаешь ты. Тихо, саваном белым,
I'm gonna take this back. Guys, put down your headphones to listen to this. And this is amazing. Our voice goes on like so synchronized with the bass. And there's a lot of bass going on there. I'm gonna say for sure. I'm hearing it. Well, not like this, but you get the picture. But guys, this is nice. This is clean. I like this. So mysterious. Blizzard.
사랑은 별님 휴가 동물로 где-то ты засыпаешь где-то но не со мной кружит белая вьюга тихо ходит зима слышишь как замерзаю снова я без тебя.
Oh my goodness. That performance was amazing. Honestly, if I was in the audience, I would really think twice to say like, is she done? Like, you know, you gotta wonder like what's coming next. Like, you're so amazed, like you're puzzled. Ladies and gentlemen, this was absolutely amazing. Again, by the great Diana. Guys, I just love this. I love this young lady for sure. She's quite amazing in the field of for sure singing. I did previously Hey Mom. Is it Hey Mom I'm Dancing? And I was surprised to see Diana rap, like okay, not but she was rapping. And I have never seen Diana do this. And if there's a like if there's more songs like this here, please recommend, because I know she has a lot of songs there, you know, and you know, to really shuffle through them could be, you know, very, I don't know. But since you guys already know the songs, and most of you here, I'm guessing, please put a link to one of the songs here, and if you can maybe translate it in English, like tell me, hey Ace, this is one. That'll be nice, because yeah, I don't really understand, I don't understand Russian. I'm sorry. But I thank all of you for the support you've been showing me for sure. You guys have been absolutely amazing, for sure. So supportive. Ladies and gentlemen, I'll continue to do more Diana. You guys, you know, just put some links in the comment section. Say something nice though, yeah? Let me know where you're from though. Yes. Put some links for me to check out certain things here so I can, hey, make it easier. Sorry. Ladies and gentlemen, this was fun. This was fun to watch. Your voice is dynamic. Her voice is powerful. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching here. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that, you know the drill. Wow, the light is right on my face, but it's fine. It's fine. You guys can take it, right? Wear your shades when you look at my other videos. Like, oh, the camera is acting again. I'm sorry, guys. But yes, guys, thank you so much for everything, and I will see all of you back on the next one. So every single one of you, take care.